Many people who monitor the stock market think that there will be a recession in 2023 because the Fed keeps raising interest rates to fight against 40-year high inflation. Due to the hot job market, a recession is not a sure bet. However, the economy has already reduced for 2 quarters in a row, and some analysts say it makes sense for the economy to slow down after the fast recovery from the pandemic shutdowns. A recession will affect both people's daily lives and their jobs. Many people worry about a recession because they could lose their jobs and their other sources of income. During a recession, you can invest your funds and savings if you have them. If you don't have enough money saved up, you should be careful and take steps to make sure you can handle the economy. CEOs and workers alike worry about recessions, but they are just a normal part of the business cycle. So here in this video, we will tell you some ways to make money during the recession. Let's take a look at them. Number 1. Rent out your things. Consider renting out some of your things. You can start by renting out a guest room or property. You could rent to people who want to stay in the area for a long time or to tourists. You can also rent out your car, parking space, RV, boat, and other things. If you don't mind sharing something with other people, do some research online to find out how you could rent it out when you aren't using it. Most people rent their cars and generate their income from them. You can also think about it. Number 2. Online teaching. The e-learning sector is anticipated to increase from $197 billion in 2020 to $840.11 billion in 2030, a growth rate of 58.2%. You will be able to teach anything online if you possess a marketable skill and a good dose of charisma. You do not need a PhD or teaching certificate to teach photography, yoga, dancing, and crafts from the comfort of your own home. Launch online courses on a platform such as Teachable to continue generating money with no work and ensure the sustainability of this business. You will need to invest a lot in marketing first to attract students. However, once you have established your name, you could earn thousands of dollars. Number 3. Become a transcriptionist. If you can type quickly, you might want to do online transcription for money. You'll just have to listen to audio files and type out what you hear. You get paid per piece. So in terms of money, the faster you can type, the better. Some sites where you can find online transcription jobs are rev.com, GoTranscript, and TranscribeMe. So you can earn a lot if you are having a difficulty in making money from other jobs. I hope you're enjoying the video, but before moving on to the next part, if you're new to our channel, subscribe to it now and don't forget to press the bell icon. Here's the next thing that you can do. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. Most people see YouTube as a resource for instructional videos, music videos, and time wasting. However, others see YouTube as a significant money source for their internet business. Mr. Beast had the highest earning YouTube channel in 2021, earning a record of $54 million for the year. Making money on YouTube requires time and work, but the rewards can be substantial. YouTube income is passive as long as your videos are being watched by your viewers. So starting a YouTube channel is a great idea if you are having a tough time during a recession. Number 5. Thumbnail editing. You as viewers are unaware of the importance of a video's thumbnail. Remember that if the video's packaging is poor, people will never click on it or watch it. Editing thumbnails, in my opinion, is less about design and more about your intelligence. How curious you can make your audience with your thumbnail so that they desire to click. Typically, the success of a thumbnail is assessed by its CTR or click-through rate. Even if you merely increase a YouTuber's CTR from 4% to 6%, this can have a significant impact on his views. If a person is now receiving 1 million views, his views will increase to 1.5 million. This will enhance the YouTuber's earnings if you can design better thumbnails for them. They will be eager to pay you more. Number 6. Content writing. Most brands and businesses don't realize how important interesting content is for getting people to visit their websites. But if you think you are creative and good at writing articles or blogs, you can reach out to these websites and companies, write articles for them, and help them get more traffic. You can do more than just write content. You can also write scripts for YouTube or work as a copywriter. Even though these three are different, I think the skill behind them is the same. You can work as any of these three things, depending on what you can do. Number 7. Make money with Amazon FBA and e-commerce. Most of the advice you find about how to make money during a recession is about buying stocks at a discount, saving more money, or getting the most out of your investment accounts. We suggest selling things on Amazon if you want to make some extra money during a tough economic time. E-commerce is still going strong, and people continue to buy all kinds of things on Amazon. Amazon made $502 billion in sales in 2022, and third-party sellers brought in nearly 56% of that amount. This shows that there is still a lot of room in the market for new sellers. One of the best things about selling on Amazon is that you don't need a lot of money to get started. Investing in the stock market or real estate may not produce a return for the first couple of years, particularly during a recession. On the other hand, sellers see profit surprisingly quickly while using Amazon. Amazon sellers earn more large profit margins than most of other small businesses you can start. So it's one of the best ways to make money during the tough economic time. We've talked about 7 ways you can make extra money during tough economic times, but this is by no means a comprehensive list. Try coming up with ideas on your own to see if you can think of anything else. And don't forget to share with us in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.